In a world that's constantly changing and evolving, it's easy to feel disconnected from our roots. But the truth is, our past is always with us, shaping who we are and where we're going. Our heritage is a treasure trove of stories, traditions, and connections that can enrich our lives in countless ways. Imagine uncovering the secrets of your ancestors, learning about the challenges they overcame and the triumphs they celebrated. Imagine tracing your family tree back through generations, discovering fascinating characters and unexpected twists and turns in your lineage. Imagine finding living relatives you never knew you had, people who share your blood and your history. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a real possibility that's within your reach. Knowing where you come from can give you a sense of belonging, a feeling of connection to something larger than yourself. It can help you understand your cultural identity, appreciate your unique traditions, and even gain insights into your own personality and preferences. It can also have practical benefits. For example, research has shown that people who have a strong sense of their family history tend to have higher self-esteem and resilience. They're better equipped to handle stress and adversity because they know they come from a long line of survivors. And that's not all. Understanding your ancestry can also provide clues about your health. Certain genetic traits and predispositions can be passed down through generations, so knowing your family medical history can help you make informed decisions about your own well-being. Perhaps you're thinking, "This sounds great, but where do I even start?" Don't worry, exploring your heritage is easier than you might think. There are countless resources available to help you on your journey, from online databases and genealogy websites to local historical societies and libraries. You can also talk to your family members, gather old photos and documents, and even consider DNA testing to unlock even more secrets about your past. The journey to discover your roots is a deeply personal one, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to start. Take that first step, ask that first question, and see where it leads you. You might be surprised at what you find. Research has shown that people who have a strong sense of their family history tend to have higher self-esteem and resilience. They're better equipped to handle stress and adversity because they know they come from a long line of survivors. This knowledge can empower you, giving you the strength to face your own challenges with courage and determination. Imagine carrying the wisdom and resilience of generations within you, a legacy that can guide you through life's ups and downs. It's a gift that's yours to claim, a source of inner strength that can never be taken away. And it doesn't stop there. Understanding your ancestry can also provide clues about your health. Certain genetic traits and predispositions can be passed down through generations. By knowing your family medical history, you can make informed decisions about your own well-being, taking proactive steps to prevent or manage potential health risks. It's like having a map of your genetic landscape, a tool that can help you navigate your health journey with greater confidence. Now, you might be thinking, "This sounds great, but where do I even start?" Don't worry, exploring your heritage is easier than you might think. In fact, it can be a fun and rewarding adventure, filled with surprises and discoveries. The first step is to start asking questions. Talk to your family members, especially older relatives, and see what stories they have to share. Look through old photo albums, letters, and documents. These can provide valuable clues about your ancestors and their lives. You can also explore online resources like genealogy websites and databases, which offer tools and information to help you trace your family tree. Many of these resources are free or very affordable, so you don't have to break the bank to start your journey. Consider DNA testing, which can provide valuable insights into your ancestry and even connect you with living relatives you never knew you had. It's a fascinating way to unlock the secrets hidden within your genes and discover the diverse paths that have led to you. Remember, exploring your heritage is a personal journey, and there's no right or a wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to start. Take that first step, ask that first question, and see where it leads you. Looking into your family history, you may discover that your identity is shaped by more than just your nationality. You might find that you have roots in different countries, cultures, and traditions. This can be a source of great pride and fascination as you learn about the diverse paths that have led to you. Your heritage is a tapestry woven from threads of different colors and textures, each representing a unique aspect of your identity. Accept this diversity and celebrate the richness it brings to your life. As you explore your ancestry, you might also find that your origins have shaped your future in ways you never imagined. Perhaps you've inherited a passion for music from a long line of musicians, or maybe you have a knack for storytelling that's been passed down through generations. Your heritage can also inspire you in your career, hobbies, and creative pursuits. By recognizing and honoring your ancestral gifts, you can unlock your full potential and create a life that's authentically yours. In essence, your past can serve as a springboard for your future, propelling you towards new heights of success and fulfillment. Understanding your heritage can also lead to personal growth and self-acceptance. By learning about your ancestors' struggles and triumphs, you can gain a deeper appreciation for your own strengths and weaknesses. You might discover hidden talents or passions that you never knew you had. You might also find the courage to overcome challenges that have held you back in the past. By understanding where you come from, you can better appreciate the diversity of human experience and find common ground with people from all walks of life. It's a way of building bridges across cultures and generations, fostering understanding and empathy. And as you connect with others who share your heritage, you'll create a network of support and belonging. This can be especially valuable if you've ever felt like an outsider or struggled to find your place in the world. Knowing that you're part of something bigger, a lineage that stretches back through time, can give you a sense of purpose and direction. Accepting your heritage is a journey of healing and self-discovery. It's a way of honoring your ancestors and acknowledging the sacrifices they made to pave the way for your life. By understanding their stories, you can find peace and closure, and perhaps even heal from past traumas that have been passed down through generations. Your heritage is a gift, a legacy that's been passed down to you through countless generations. It's a source of strength, wisdom, and inspiration that can guide you through life's challenges and help you create a brighter future. Accept it, celebrate it, and let it empower you to become the best version of yourself. So, are you ready to start on this exciting journey of self-discovery? It all begins with a single step. Start by reaching out to your family members, looking into old photo albums, or exploring online resources. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek out information, and connect with others who share your passion for genealogy. Remember, every piece of information you uncover is a valuable clue, a thread that can lead you closer to understanding who you are and where you come from.